Home HVAC Services provides expert heating system repair in West Chester, Pennsylvania, ensuring your home stays warm and comfortable during the coldest months. Our skilled technicians quickly diagnose and fix issues with all types of heating systems, delivering reliable, efficient solutions you can trust. If you have any questions, contact our heating system repair team. Are you looking for a heating system repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What is the most common cause of heat not working? The most common cause of heat not working is a malfunctioning thermostat, often due to dead batteries or incorrect settings. What is the first symptom of a failed heater core? The first symptom of a failing heater core is usually a noticeable loss of heat from the vents, even when the engine is fully warmed up. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our heating system repair have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.